This question is taken from BLE class 8. Ram marks the price of a watch as rupees 800. Marks the price means MP. Solution, we have to write here MP, mark price, level price, advertisement price, these all everything is same. So MP is equal to 800. He sold it allowing a discount 8%. So discount is here, discount percent is here, how much? 8%. After that he makes a profit how much here? 80. So profit is different thing. So MP and discount given, so we have to find out selling price first. At what price he sold at? So SP is equal to MP minus discount percent of MP. We have a formula, and MP is 800 minus discount is 8%. So we have to write 8 by 100 into 800. So 2020 cancel. 800 minus 8 is a 64, and when you subtract this 2 we get here selling price. So 800 minus 64 we get 736. So we have to write here 736 rupees selling price. After that you can see here profit of 80%. Profit is equal to how much here? Profit is equal to rupees 80. Now what we have to find out? Find the cost price of a watch. CP we have to find out. CP is equal to what? And the CP formula is SP. If you don't know formula, you can write here. You can see here profit is equal to, I will show you simple way, profit is equal to SP minus CP. What we have to find out? CP we have to find out. CP we have to take here, profit we have to take here. So when you take profit, another side we have to write minus profit. So CP is equal to, we have to find out, and SP is equal to what is here? 736 minus profit is equal to 80, and we have to subtract this to get cost price. Cost price means purchased price. At what price that shopkeeper purchased that watch? So 656. 656 is the answer. Hope you understand this video, how to find out cost price when discount and profit is given. This question is taken from class 8 BLE book. If you understand, please hit the like button, and if you are new on my channel, please consider subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button to get notification of upcoming videos too.